Hi, my name is April Kish. My mission statement is to serve God by teaching children a love for learning and creativity in order to live life to the fullest. My mission statement reflects myself and what I am doing right now. I am currently a student at Bluefield University. I am majoring in elementary education with a minor in art. I want to become a teacher in order to teach children a love for learning and a love for creativity and using their imagination. At first, though, I didn't really want to become a teacher. I learned that I have a love and passion for teaching when I was offered a position by teaching little kids in my church. I was able to teach 3 and 6-year-olds about God's love. I ended up loving teaching the kids because I could not only teach them about God, but I could also teach them simple things like reading and writing and how to read the Bible, which I think is very important. I also got to let them use their creativity and their imagination by letting them do crafts and also paint. They really love to paint. And I love seeing them be able to recall their lessons through their projects that I would give them to do. And also, they would really love that. But I also think it's very important for students to have a love for learning, and I want to instill that in children so they can live their lives creatively and down the path God leads them. I want children to understand that learning is a process that they will carry throughout their entire life. And I also want them to understand that God always has a plan for their lives, whether it be to use their imagination and creativity to create art for the Lord, or whether it's to use their learning to go to college to fulfill out God's plan for them. But I want to be able to serve God and teach children the love for learning and creativity.